Hi there, this is Bill. I am the Enterprise Solutions Architect of Nexus Technologies. This is part 3 of the demo video. Now we'll be discussing about DevSecOps. We will briefly discuss the end-to-end DevSecOps solution and some touch points on each phase of DevSecOps. Then we will proceed to the demo. We are presenting now a modular DevSecOps architecture, the capability of having continuous planning, integration, testing, continuous application security, and deployment. In this demo, we will touch on high level of Micro Focus PPM and an integration to Micro Focus ALM Octane, where we'll have a short high-level demonstration of real-time integration between the portfolio and project managers and the application team. The capability of Micro Focus ALM Octane integration with an integrated development environment, where tickets in Micro Focus ALM Octane Kanban board is reflected directly in the IDE. The integration of a source code management tool with the likes of Git from the integrated development environment, integrated via an open source build server like Jenkins, demonstrating continuous functional testing using Micro Focus Unified Functional Testing Tool and continuous security with Micro Focus Fortify, having the confidence that the application is secure and functional prior to deployment. All testing and security vulnerabilities results are reflected via the ALM Octane as a main tool applying SDLC and the Testing Center of Excellence. Lastly, the integration of continuous delivery by Micro Focus deployment automation. Now let us proceed with the demo.
As a portfolio manager, we would like to see the state of our initiatives and find if we are still on track and decide the direction of our investments. Directly informed in real time, assessing immediately, and taking actions necessary which will add importance to our business. And let us actually drill down to the actual project itself. And find that we are still on track with our work plan as expected or not expected. Now, directly informed in real time, assessing immediately, and taking actions necessary which will add importance to our business. And now let's go directly to the initiative of our portfolio. From here, we get to have a clear understanding in detail the progress of our initiative, finding the quality by application module. Are we on track or needs attention? Since we have a security application vulnerability, we can immediately take action by delegating the task and applying the fix. Now, seeing the list of vulnerabilities, you can actually also see the storyboard and find what are the vulnerabilities which are currently present that needs fixing. Now, going to the developer's view, through his IDE, he can actually directly see the task, which is actually reflection of what is in the storyboard. So from here, he could actually apply the changes and make a fix to the vulnerability. Now, the developer applying the vulnerability changes, fix the security breaches. Now, checking in his work to a centralized location, making a fix to the vulnerability. And now he does the commit and push the centralized tool. And now going to the task himself, he can actually mark it as completed. Now that the task has been completed, it reflects back to the storyboard and also shows as completed. Now going to the pipeline. In the pipeline view, we can run a fully automated test, including security, functional, and performance prior to deployment. Now let's actually run the pipeline from here and do a run. On running the pipeline from our solution, it directly triggers a build server. Now on the build server, it actually does a process of security scanning and functional scanning, and also deploying it to the correct environment. The pipeline directly reports the results to our lifecycle solution, directly providing useful information for security vulnerabilities and etc. Now let's go back to the lifecycle management solution that we're at. Now it's actually nearly completing our reports. Now from here, it also tells us who actually committed the code's actually done, or who actually done the fix. And from here, it also reflects back to the issues tab and inserting the vulnerabilities. What we are demonstrating is real-time data, fast fix of security vulnerabilities, and a continuous cycle of planning and execution, which results to improve efficiency, improve quality,
and producing a secure application. Thank you for watching my video. Please continue watching the application security video series.